Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my jalapeno poppers. So I filmed this video at my cousin's house, and before we got started, we were just messing around to see whose nails look better on camera. Okay, let's get started. So for this recipe, you're going to need some fresh jalapenos. You're going to need some cream cheese, and I'm just using the original one. And you're going to need some bacon. As always, the exact measurements will be in the description box below for you. The first thing you're going to do is cut your bacon in half. Now, if you're making a whole lot of jalapeno poppers, you might even want to cut your bacon in 3 pieces and just stretch it around the jalapeno, but we're not making a lot, so we're just cutting it in half. We went to visit my cousin for Thanksgiving, and whenever we get together, we always make jalapeno poppers as an appetizer, so I thought, why not film this so you could see. I was so glad when my cousin said I could film this at their house, because I don't make this at home. I only ever eat this when I'm with them, so it's something special we do together. Just so you have an idea, there were 10 of us and we bought 3 dozen jalapenos, but we cut the jalapenos in half, so that's 72 poppers. I know that sounds like a lot, but we didn't even have any left over. And for that we used 3 packages of cream cheese and 4 packages of bacon. It's best if you have everything ready on the board, so when you're putting it together, it goes by smoothly. Okay, now I'm going to open up the cream cheese and set it on the board. The way we like to do this is to cut the jalapeno in half. So you're going to cut it straight down the middle and then take the seeds out. And I find that a spoon works the best to take the seeds out. Make sure you wear some gloves so the pepper doesn't burn your hands. We all love jalapeno poppers. They're so easy and so simple to make, and you don't need a lot of ingredients. If you want it a little bit more spicy, you can leave some of the seeds in there. Or if you want it real spicy, you can make it with serrano peppers. And sometimes we would do that. We would do a little bit of serrano and a little bit of jalapeno. Oh my goodness, they're so good, but they are so hot. They are going to make you cry. If you're new to my channel, I want to say welcome and thank you for stopping by. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. And be sure to click the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. All you have to do now is take some cream cheese and put it in a jalapeno. And I just put enough in there to cover the hole, just to make it flush with the jalapeno. Then you're going to take 1 piece of the bacon and wrap it around the jalapeno and cream cheese. And that's it. I'm just going to do a few so you could see, but then I'm going around the table so me and my 2 besties could do them together. It's become our tradition that whenever we get together we make jalapeno poppers and barbecue chicken feet. But we don't say chicken feet, we say chicken foot. So yeah, we like eat chicken foot. I might lose some people talking about my chicken foot, but you know, It's a part of our culture. It's the way we grew up in Belize. We eat chicken foot, and I'm not ashamed to say I eat chicken foot. Maybe I can make a video to show you how we make our chicken foot soup in Belize. So leave me a comment below and let me know if that's something you would like to see. So here I am with my besties. I'm the one scraping the seeds out of the jalapeno. Esther is putting the cream cheese in the jalapeno, and Sham is wrapping the bacon around the jalapeno. I'm so happy I get to do this with them. We get to spend time together. We get to do things together. It just feels so good. We all just nourish each other's soul. So it just feels so good to get together. We do a lot of cooking, a lot of eating, dancing, singing. We play music. We sit around the fire and have deep conversation. You know, it just feels so good. I just wanted to show you that we did have some leftover bacon, and for the cream cheese we had to open another package of cream cheese, so in total we used 3.5 packages of cream cheese. My cousin Derek is going to grill the poppers. Hey Pana, what's up Pana? He set the grill on 325 degrees and cooked them between an hour and a half to an hour and 45 minutes. He checked the poppers every 35 to 40 minutes and moved them around just so they don't burn. So my cousin Derek has his own business, his own family business. He doesn't know that I'm saying this, but I have to shout him out because he's really good at what he does. So if you need any kind of commercial and residential generator service, repair and installation, I'm going to leave his information below so you can check him out. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff over there, so come follow me. Oh my goodness, these things were grilled to perfection. They were so good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. It helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.